Today our topic is chemical reactions and equations. What is chemical reactions? The change of one or more substance into other substance having different composition and properties is called a chemical reactions. Means new substance and new properties are formed. That is milk formed to curd. This is the best example of chemical reactions. Example of chemical reactions: iron and sulfur combine to form iron sulfide. In a chemical reaction, the substance which react together are called reactant, whereas the new substance formed are called product. Means substance part in a reactions is reactant and substance formed after the reactions is product. That is magnesium plus oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is the reactant and this is the product. This is different between reactant and product. Next is type of chemical reactions: combinations reaction, decombinations reaction, displacement reactions, double displacement reaction, oxidations and reduction reaction. Firstly, combinations reactions. A combinations reactions, also known as synthesis reactions, are reactions in which two or more substances combine together to form a new substance. It is called combinations reactions. Many combinations reactions are also example of combinations reactions. Example of combinations reaction is, that is A plus C formed ABC. Different type of product form one product. This is a combinations reaction. Sodium melt react with chlorine gas to product sodium chlorine chloride. That is Na plus Cl2 to form NaCl. Mg plus O2 to form MgO. Next is decomposition reaction, are reactions in which a substance is broken down into two or more simpler substances is known as decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction is opposite of combinations reactions. A decomposition reaction takes place only when some energy in form of heat, light or electricity is supplied to the reactions. The best example of decombination reaction, that is water form of hydrogen and oxygen. That is water form of hydrogen and oxygen. It is a opposite of combinations reactions. One product form two different products. Mercury oxide, a red solid, decompose when heated to produce mercury and oxygen. Next is displacement reactions. A reactions in which one part of molecule is replaced by another. That is more reactive metal displace less reactive metal. Example is X plus Y. That is Y XZ, means two are combined and one are single. Zn plus 2 HCl, ZnCl 2 plus H2. This is displacement reaction. Next is double displacement reactions, are reactions in which two reacting ionic compound exchange their corresponding ion is called double displacement reaction. That is exchange of ion. It is called double displacement reactions. It is also called double replacement reactions. Example is A plus B, C plus D is formed AD and BC. It is an example of double displacement reaction. That is AgNO3 plus NaCl, AgCl plus NaNO3. This is a double displacement reaction. Next is oxidation reduction reactions. Any process involving additions of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and loss of electron is known as oxidation reactions. Oxidations mean loss of electron and reductions mean gain of electron. Oxidation is reverse of reduction. That is oxidations mean addition of oxygen and reductions mean removal of oxygen. Oxidations mean removal of hydrogen and gain of electron. Loss of electron, that is reductions mean addition of hydrogen and gain of electron. It is a reductions reactions. Example, NaCl2 is NaCl. That is Na plus Cl form NaCl. This is Na is sodium oxide and Cl is chlorine. Na is loss electron and Cl is gain electron. This is a reductions and oxidations reactions. This is a oxidations and reductions. So guys, today we were completed chemical reactions. Thank you.